clouds under the cars. Rain gets my hair all wet and it runs down the street really far. From the sewers to the sea, it never made a lot of sense to me. All it meant to me is I couldn't go out and play. Not today, but now I know the rain needs to go back down in the ground to feed my garden and the flowers and the trees all around. If we don't find a way to help it stay, it takes the garbage in the street and it washes away. If you want to stop pollution, here is what I say. Get a rain barrel. Get a rain barrel. Get a rain barrel and save up all of that rain. So I set a rain barrel in my yard next to a wall. It catches rain from the roof and it fills up fast and it's 4 feet tall. It has a hose and a faucet spout. It's the best big barrel without a doubt. You can make one too, we can show you what to do. You get a rain barrel. You get a rain barrel. You get a rain barrel and you save up all of that rain. Now lately I was thinking what to do when it gets so dry. Like July and August when there's not a cloud in the sky. Oh my, if I set up 3 barrels in all, I can save enough water to last till fall. Then the flowers and the trees and the garden bees will sing along with me. We got rain barrels. We got rain barrels. We got rain barrels. And we saved up all of that rain. And there's the barrel right there.